20 classic cars, all priced under $5,000. Some run, some need work. Every one of them is real. Number 1. 1977 Buick LeSabre Custom, $4,000. This 1977 Buick LeSabre Custom shows 130,000 miles and is finished in black with a red interior. It's a two-owner vehicle that has already been paid off and is reported to run and drive well. Power comes from a Buick Plymouth 50 V8 paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. The seller notes no major damage or significant issues. An aftermarket audio setup with dual 12-inch subwoofers is installed in the trunk. Overall, this appears to be a usable, full-size cruiser with traditional rear-wheel drive comfort rather than a restored showpiece. Number 2. 1963 Ford Galaxie, $2,700. This 1963 Ford Galaxie comes equipped with a 352 V8 and automatic transmission. The engine is currently not running, but the seller states it is not stuck. The vehicle is described as complete and finished in blue with a matching blue interior. It includes a clear Tennessee title, though it is held in the dealer's name. No keys are included. As presented, this Galaxie represents a straightforward mechanical project that will require engine work and recommissioning before returning to the road. Number 3. 1973 Ford Pinto Wagon, $2,950. This 1973 Ford Pinto Wagon shows 66,203 miles and retains its original 2.0-liter OHC four-cylinder engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. The car was stored indoors for over 20 years and was last tagged in 2005. Recent work includes draining and cleaning the fuel system, replacing the brake master cylinder, installing new spark plugs, newer tires, and a new carpet set. The seller reports it runs well, shifts properly, and brakes strongly. The carburetor was cleaned but may need a rebuild. Rust is described as minimal, with one small hole behind the left rear wheel. Overall, it presents as a solid and mostly original compact wagon. Number 4. 1966 Buick Skylark Sedan, $1,800. This 1966 Buick Skylark 4-door sedan has been fitted with a Chevrolet 350 truck engine and a 2-speed automatic transmission. It runs and has been driven around the block, though the alternator has failed and may need replacement along with the battery. The brakes function but require attention. The frame and underside are described as solid, while the body shows some rust and may need a trunk pan. Cooling system concerns include a slow water pump leak, and it currently runs open exhaust manifolds. Interior condition is rough, and some trim pieces, including taillight housings, are missing. It stands as a running project requiring mechanical and cosmetic work. Number 5. 1962 Cadillac Series 62, $4,000. This 1962 Cadillac Series 62 4-door hardtop shows 87,963 miles and includes a clear Kentucky title in the seller's name. Originally from West Texas and New Mexico, the car is described as structurally solid with good floor pans and trunk condition. It's equipped with factory air conditioning, power windows, and a 6-way power seat. The 390 V8 engine is complete but currently stuck. The vehicle rolls, steers, and stops. Cosmetic wear and patina are visible, and a full set of original wheel covers is included. It represents a solid restoration candidate with strong originality.
Six. 1971 Oldsmobile Toronado Coupe, $3,500. This 1971 Oldsmobile Toronado shows 93,300 miles and is finished in blue with a black interior. It runs and drives but needs additional work before being considered fully roadworthy. The seller indicates it requires a few items to make it dependable. As a front-wheel drive personal luxury coupe from the early 1970s, it offers distinctive styling and layout. No detailed service history is provided, so mechanical inspection would be recommended before regular use. 7. 1979 Pontiac Firebird, $4,500. This 1979 Pontiac Firebird is described as a partially completed rebuild. It reportedly features a new 380 Strucker engine paired with a Turbo 400 automatic transmission. Mileage on the chassis is unknown. The vehicle has new tires and a recently installed battery. Paint work was started but developed bubbling, and supplies to repaint the car are included. The seller also mentions new glass and additional parts stored inside the vehicle. The title is available. As presented, it runs but remains an unfinished project requiring completion. (8) 1978 Ford Fairmont box top, $4,500. This 1978 Ford Fairmont box top was purchased as a planned drag-and-drive build. It currently houses a Gen 3 6.0-liter LS engine that was removed from a van and should be inspected before use. The vehicle does not run and does not include a transmission, though a TH350 may be available separately. It features performance-oriented components including a tubular K-member, upgraded control arms, and additional parts such as a fuel system, wiring harness, ECU, turbo kit, and suspension upgrades. Paint is described as decent. It stands as a build platform rather than an operational vehicle. (9) 1971 Volkswagen Super Beetle, $3,000. This 1971 Volkswagen Super Beetle is described as running well, though it requires brake work and will need to be transported. The seller states the engine runs strong and that the car was driven briefly using the parking brake. Rust is present in the rear floorboard area. It is described as a solid vehicle overall, but buyers are encouraged to inspect it personally. As presented, it is a running project requiring brake repair before safe road use. (10) 1963 Chevrolet Nova 2, $5,000. This 1963 Chevrolet Nova 2 is offered at $5,000 cash or best offer. It shows 9,999 miles, though the actual mileage is not verified. Finished in black with a brown interior and equipped with an automatic transmission, the listing provides limited mechanical detail. No major damage is reported in the listing description. Due to the minimal information provided, a full inspection would be necessary to determine its true mechanical and structural condition.
(11) 1974 Volkswagen Super Beetle, $4,000. This 1974 Volkswagen Super Beetle shows 110,300 miles and is finished in orange with a black interior. It features a manual transmission and has a clean Kentucky title in the seller's name. The car reportedly caught fire in the early 1980s and was stored for approximately 40 years afterward. It has since been revived with a used 1600cc dual-port engine, new brakes including an upgraded front disc conversion, fresh tires, and an alternator conversion. The exterior paint remains untouched, retaining visible fire-related wear and patina. Rust is present in typical Beetle areas. The seller states it runs, drives, and stops, though long-term reliability would require inspection. (12) 1962 Chevrolet Corvair 700 Lakewood Wagon, $2,900. This 1962 Chevrolet Corvair 700 Lakewood Wagon shows 50,000 miles and is described as a rare automatic version, with fewer than 2,500 reportedly produced. It is powered by a 145 cubic inch air-cooled flat-six engine and runs and drives according to the seller. The vehicle comes with the original title from the first owner. Recent maintenance includes a new battery, fuel pump, fuel tank, fuel lines, oil pan gasket, oil filter, and valve cover gaskets. The interior is described as decent for its age, with intact seats and door panels, though the headliner has minor tears. Overall, it presents as a running classic wagon with documented history and ongoing cosmetic needs. (13) 1967 Plymouth Fury 3, $800. This 1967 Plymouth Fury 3 is offered as is without a title and may also be suitable for parts. The engine, a 318-2, has been soaked in ATF and does turn over using the starter. It has been sitting for many years. The car includes keys, though the trunk lock is frozen and the grille is missing. The body shows significant exterior damage, but the underside and floors are described as solid with minimal rust. The radio reportedly works. As presented, this is a low-cost project with structural integrity, but requiring substantial mechanical and cosmetic restoration. (14) 1965 Ford Falcon Wagon, $3,200. This 1965 Ford Falcon Wagon is finished in white with a blue interior and is equipped with an inline 200 engine paired to a 3-speed column shift manual transmission. The car spent most of its life in Texas before being relocated about a year ago. The seller states it runs and drives well and does not currently require immediate mechanical work. A retro-style air conditioning system is available. With multiple prior owners noted, it appears to be a functional driver that could either serve as a daily use classic or a foundation for further customization. (15) 1973 Ford Mustang Coupe, $2,500. This 1973 Ford Mustang shows 73,000 miles and is finished in red with an automatic transmission. The seller believes it may be equipped with a 427 Cobra jet engine, though this is not confirmed and would require verification. Mechanical details beyond that are limited, and the listing encourages in-person inspection. Without documented confirmation of drivetrain specifications, buyers should treat engine details as uncertain. At this price point, it presents as a project vehicle with potential, pending further evaluation.
(16) 1979 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme S, $5,000. This 1979 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme S is finished in off-white with a green interior and features the original 4.3-liter engine. It runs, but reportedly has a loud ticking noise from the motor and will need mechanical attention. The interior is described as very clean overall, with minor wear on the driver's seat. Heating and air conditioning systems are set to function. The vehicle comes with stock wheels, though no rims are currently installed. The title has not been transferred into the seller's name, though it is in hand. As presented, it is a running project requiring mechanical refinement and paperwork clarification. (17) 1960 Jeep CJ3B, $5,000. This 1960 Jeep CJ3B shows 44,000 miles and is powered by a Hurricane 4-cylinder engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission and 4-wheel drive. It runs and drives and includes a clean Tennessee title. The seller notes minor rust primarily in the floorboards, though the frame is described as rust-free. The engine may produce smoke after sitting for a while. Overall, it appears to be a functional vintage off-road vehicle with age-typical wear and straightforward mechanical layout. (18) 1976 Chevrolet Vega Camback, $1,295. This 1976 Chevrolet Vega Camback wagon is described as mostly complete and has been in long-term storage. It was originally a 4-speed car, but currently has an automatic transmission installed while retaining clutch pedals. The crossmember is included, but not bolted in. It is missing the front grille and bumper, though extra parts are stored in the trunk. The seller has not attempted to start or clean the vehicle and is selling it as is. With the title and keys included, it represents a low-cost project platform suitable for restoration or modification. (19) 1979 Ford F-150 Ranger Long Bid, $800. This 1979 Ford F-150 Ranger Long Bid features a Ford 400 engine paired with a C6 automatic transmission. The engine runs, but the truck requires either transmission or transfer case work. Spare components for both are included, along with an additional Ford 400 engine that reportedly ran before removal. It does not come with wheels, so buyers must provide their own for transport. The truck has no title, but can be sold with a bill of sale. It stands as a mechanical project or parts donor with drivetrain potential.
1973 Ford F350 XLT cab and chassis, $3,200. This 1973 Ford F350 shows 286,000 miles and is finished in blue with a matching interior. It is described as a one-owner vehicle and has been paid off. The truck features a 7.3-liter turbo diesel engine paired with an automatic transmission and rides on a modified setup that includes a later front clip and updated running gear. It runs and drives, but requires general TLC consistent with age and mileage. The seller indicates no trades are desired. As presented, it appears to be a functional but heavily used work truck with modifications that should be verified before purchase. No hype, no perfect restorations, just honest classics at honest prices. Which one would you choose?